Hello everyone. If you're encountering the frustrating "sorry you have been blocked" error on Discord, don't worry. You're not alone. Many people have been experiencing this issue. So, let's get started with some troubleshooting steps. Method 1. Check for updates. The first method is to ensure that your operating system is up to date. Go to your computer's search bar and type "check for updates." Click on it, and then check for any available updates. Make sure to install any pending updates for your system. Method 2. Disable Microsoft Defender Firewall. For our second method, search for Firewall and Network Protection in your computer's search bar. Click on it, and then select Domain Network. Try turning off Microsoft Defender Firewall and see if this resolves the issue. Remember, this step might not be suitable for everyone, so proceed with caution. Method 3. Browser troubleshooting. If you're using Discord in a web browser, there are a few additional steps to consider. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, head over to Extensions, and click on Manage Extensions. Remove any suspicious or unwanted extensions that you suspect might be causing problems. Now, click on the three dots again, go to History, and select History once more. To improve your browsing experience, click on Clear Browsing Data. In the advanced settings, make sure to select everything, including cookies and cache, and then click on Clear Data. This might help solve any issues related to your browser. Ensure that your web browser is fully up to date. In my case, I'm using Chrome, and it's already up to date. Make sure your browser is as well. After trying all these methods, remember to restart your web browser or, even better, your computer. Choose Restart, not Shut down. If these methods don't work, please be patient and wait it out. This issue has affected many users, and sometimes it's out of your control. Discord servers might need some time to get back to normal, so don't stress too much.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching.